Hello, Central Middle School faculty and staff. How are you doing today?
Good.
Awesome. Well, my name is Cindy Castillo and my partner, and we're current students at St. Albert's University. We have worked and done some extensive research on Project Bridge by Intel, which is our main purpose here today. Your school has been selected to participate in our project, and we are here to inform you a little bit about it. We will discuss a little bit about Intel, what Project Bridge is, and lastly, what the expectations of the program is. First, I just wanted to mention how technology has really improved over the years. There's always new advancements coming out. For example, the new iPhone 5 just recently came out, which was very interesting. With the show of hands, how many of you own a personal computer, laptop, or a smartphone? Okay, so evidently technology does surround us. So what Intel strives to do is collaborate education through the use of technology. And we do this through programs such as Project Bridge. But first, what do you need to know about Intel? According to Intel's annual report, we are the world's largest semiconductor chip maker in the industry. So probably means that you have an Intel chip in your cellular device as we speak. So not only are we a very successful software company, but we also are very committed to the education industry. We do promote education through technology. We have many resources for students, and you can find these online through the Intel Learning Series. We value education, and we strongly believe in equality, diversity, and innovation for these programs. But now, Natanya will explain to you what Project Bridge is.
So what is Project Bridge? Project Bridge is an example of what could come of the Intel Learning Series. According to Intel.com, the program is designed to use integrated technology to help students develop 21st century skills in a demanding time when technology is really prominent. This will begin at the early stages of kindergarten leading up to high school. Now, Project Bridge specifically is, it's basically an assignment that would be given to students that says, hey, let's build a bridge. They would get certain criteria, have outlines, be able to work with the more architectural aspects in the beginning design phases, such as building blueprints, drawing sketches, etc., to a more finalized, tangible structure that they would turn in at the end and explain the actual process of getting to the final endpoint. This would all be made possible through Intel technology, and according to Business Wire, there was a ThinkPad which was designed specifically for students in a more demanding, project-based educational environment to help them meet the demands of going to and from class and working on the field, off the field, etc. So you're probably wondering, how are we going to see results, or what are we expecting from the program? Well, you see students in an Intel YouTube video on our channel working collaboratively with their classmates, as well as people actually in the field. You see architects, construction workers, people in those sorts of fields working with the students, as well as the teachers and the classmates engaging with the technology. This is a shift from the traditional sort of classroom where you have a teacher giving a lecture, you have students taking notes and getting homework assignments, reading, etc., to a more workshop-based classroom where you can actually see students engaging with people in fields that they might very well be interested in themselves. So, for example, there was a kid from Brownsville, Maryland, named Jack Andraka, and he was able to develop a non-invasive pancreatic cancer detector at an Intel-sponsored science and engineering fair. Now, you see students getting these project-based assignments, and you see them excelling and pursuing these next-generation ideas and answering these questions. And that's what we want to see. We want to see students defining their generation and making progress.
So just to wrap it all up, we did cover a little bit about Intel and their history. We talked about what Project Bridge was and the expected outcomes from participation.
So I just wanted to remind everybody that Intel is a goal-oriented company, just like Project Bridge. We see the education being used with technology to help students get a more higher education and improve the education system that you're seeing today in America, not just America, but also worldwide. So essentially, we want to make the world a better place through our technology and just see things change. So if there are any questions, we'd like to take those now.